So I've read something na sa tingin ko worth sharing to everyone. And another random thoughts for you guys. You cannot make someone love you by giving them more of what they already don't appreciate. So come to think of it, na kahit gaano pa kalalim or gaano pa kabigat, gaano pa karami yung pagmamahal na kaya mong ibigay, if yung receiver mo ay hindi naman appreciative, then it will never be reciprocated to you. So imagine if you're the one giving and giving so much love and natatapon lang yung pagmamahal na binibigay mo sa kanya. And I don't think it will work, no? And don't be on the level na sa tingin mong nasagad ka na. Kasi mawawala yung respeto at pagmamahal mo sa sarili mo. And 'di ba, the moment na mawala sa atin yung self-love natin, pwedeng ma-take advantage ka na, pwedeng ma-manipulate ka na, pwede ka ding umabot sa point na hindi ka na nirarespeto nung taong pinagbibigyan mo ng pagmamahal na yon. And it will have a domino effect to the people around you. So always make sure na it will be reciprocated. And always know na yung love natin na binibigay, regardless how small or how big, it must be appreciated. Bye!